उड़ू ऊंचा।
Do you remember the sound of the letter C? That's right. K. K. Look at these pictures. Which picture begins with the sound K? A plate, a crown, a bucket. Plate, crown, bucket. Say the word that begins with the sound K. Yes, crown. Now let's look at some more pictures. Computer, water, candle. Say the words that begin with the K. Amazing! You are a star student. Now listen carefully and observe which picture has the middle sound K. Jacket, bottle, pillow. Say the word which has a K sound in the middle. Good job! Choose the letter C from these letters. Congratulations! You did a good job!
Like, share and subscribe.